Hello everyone and welcome to Caroline's Craftery, and we have Thriftycanucks today. Went to a town that I don't normally go to, so I stopped by some thrift stores and found some goodies. So let's get right into it and we'll show you what I got. I have these, they're kind of a brown iridescent sequins. There's a lot in there. And they're from Walmart, but that's okay. So they're always fun. Kim, I'll throw a few of these into your bag because I know you love sequences and I will never use those in 100 years. I got this here. I don't even know if they're all here, but just a Oracle fairy cards. The cards are beautiful. This is the back side of them, and then on this side, of course, are all different fairies. Very nice. I like these, and these are always like a really heavy-duty card. So beautiful pictures on them. Always looking for fairy things. So I got all those. I gotta count all the cards, see if they're all there. I think they should be. It doesn't look like the set has been used much, but never know. But I'll count them up and see what there is. We have some old wallpaper. Feels like it's wrapped up in saran wrap. Am I going to get it undone? Should have did this before, but so I can get a good figure out the color of it. Decorative borders. Oh, and then of course there's a piece of tape. Beautiful flower border. You could very easily cut that out or use it as a page. So for my creative box folks, if you would like a couple of feet of this, then put down wallpaper. Let me just roll this back up. And I'm just going to write on this wallpaper. I'm going to say 2 feet, but it might just give you 3. We'll see. And I put these notes on it for a couple of reasons. A, so that the creative box people know what to put, but also for my own purpose of down the road. Oh, how much did I say I was going to give up? Whatever. So that way it's there. Got a whole bunch of goodies. I don't normally buy these, but there's a few things I wanted. Like this here. I love these flowers. They go great on so many things. I had some tanned ones and I used them all up. So I got those. There's these neat flowers. These are hero art. They were $5.99 at one point, but all this was in a bag, so some really 3D roses and flower. Here's like some felt flowers. Those are kind of cool. And then, oh, there's these felt ones. Not sure if I will use those, but I'll put them in my flower box. And then there's just some stickers. I usually don't use these, but some of them are cute. Like these are really cute. But we'll see what I do with those. I might actually be going to a craft sale, but it's to sell craft supplies, not to sell like crafted items. So my sister's thinking about if she wants to go to that or not. Universal practice pad of calligraphy. Thrifty grid print sheets. They're 8.5 by 11. Oops. But they're like this here. And I'm always after different papers that look different. So, and then we've got this here. And we've got somebody's practice sheet. It's just on a piece of paper. They did a pretty good job. Cute little poem. Some blank sheets in there as well. But yeah, just a whole bunch of these. And if they've been used, there's certainly not very many of them gone. But they're just different lined papers. So for my creative box people, I'm going to be doing a big paper thing coming up soon. So keep an eye on that. Find some place to set it. Then we have a bunch of fibers. And this will be fiber 4 for my creative box people. 2, 4, 6, we've got 8 different kinds this time. This is like a pom-pom trim with really bright colors. So these will be 5 yards of each of these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 5 yards each. Gotta write it down or I'll never remember. So there's that one there, nice bright colors. We have this ball. This is really, really soft, really soft. And it's just this puffy trim, and it's kind of in a, they're really very pastel muted colors, but there's a bit of green, a bit of yellow, some purple, some pink mixed in there. I don't know how well you can actually see all the colors when it's in a ball like this, but there's lots of like pastel rainbowy colors in there. So very nice and very soft. We have this, it's kind of a blue and it's kind of a gray. I'm going to say it's blue. And then it's got this variegated pink little trim wrapped around it. Very pretty. And it's quite soft and fuzzy as well. We have this here, which is a variegated blue to white. It's kind of got 3 pom-pom, 2 pom-pom, 3, 2, etc. Very nice little trim. So we got that. We have this beautiful color, fun fur. But pretty much all the rainbow colors in there, pinks, blues, greens, yellows. Don't really see any purple, but very nice colors. Very, very nice. And then we've got this blue and green. And I want to say that I had some of this. Now, whether it's been in a video, I'm not sure, but it's going to get added into this fun pack. And then we have a white to gray variegated. I don't really want to pull the balls apart until I'm ready to do up the bundles, but this could actually be dyed as well. You can dye eyelash trim very easily. Paint doesn't go as good because it kind of makes the bristles almost stick together, but like alcohol inks, distress inks, distress oxides, different inks, sprays for sure. And this would dye up quite nice, even though it's got the dark colors in there. It would still dye up nice. And then there's this here. This is mohair and acrylic. Very soft, Very pretty. Kind of a maroon red in the background. But then it's got these little twists of something in there. I think it goes from kind of bushy, and then it's got these little bits in there, and it's got the mohair sticking out. Some of it's quite mohairy, but very, very pretty lace. So you get 8 different fibers, 5 yards of each, so good deal. And the last thing, we have this outfit. Beautiful blue. And look at these designs on it. Hope you can see that. I don't have a lot of room on my table. But it's got these long swirly things. But they're separated. There's like a separation there, and there's one there, and then there's another piece. So each piece is like that long. So about a foot long of this nice swirl. And then there's all these little crisscrossy things. Now, when I looked at it, I looked underneath, and there's this beautiful, I don't know if that's a royal blue but beautiful dark blue, almost leaning towards the purplish side of blue, but kind of a, I don't know what kind of fabric it is, but feels good. But when I looked on the back side here, a lot of it is separated, the stitching. So this is joined here, but I would put a little bit of glue on that. But I can cut around without cutting any threads. So then I've got that piece there as a unit that's not cut. And a lot of these, like here's the start of one of those things, there's no threads. And then going up to here, and there's a couple of threads, but that would be easily glued down before I cut it. So I can cut a whole bunch of these big long things out of there. Nice gold. They're basically little sequences stitched on with some embroidery with the gold. So very pretty, plus all this fabric on the back side. And this whole dress is covered with those. Like the whole dress, the sleeves, the whole bit is all covered with that. So there's going to be lots of usable pieces in there. And for my creative box people, I'm working on some little kits of bright, shiny stuff. And then with that came this. Let me just see if I can't move this over here so it's out of the way. We have like the scarf that goes with it. Just trying to get it untangled here. It was kind of bunched in the bag, and it's got a knot in it here. So give me a second here, and I hope to get that. There we go. Okay. So on this, we have this beautiful border, which should be able to be cut into pieces very easy. And there's some of these, and then there's some cute little embroidery pieces. Just tiny little things. But they're all sewn together separately, so that is a plus. Looks like the corners have one of these, so there'll only be 4 of those. But the whole edge is this trim here. And it almost seems like that's a crocheted trim. So that will be interesting to I'll try and take a little piece of it apart. But yes, the whole edge is all like that. All the inside is all these little embroidered pieces, which could be taken off and used as embellishments. What I'll probably do is cut the corner out, or cut the edges off, and then cut the 4 corners off, and then rip the rest into strips. Is probably what I will do. Just going down here. Yeah, just the 4 edges have that, but it's just this beautiful blue, royal blue. Everybody's views on colors are a little bit different. But yes, there'll be lots of this nice gold. It's not quite gold, but it's almost a rose gold. And then it's got these little plastic beads on there. And then this here little bit is kind of into it. So I would cut it like outside of this is what I would do. So another piece, another sorry piece to add to my projects to take apart and get in a more usable situation. So there, that's it. That's all for this one. For my Creative Box people, leave a comment on what you would like added. And for everybody else, I hope you like the goodies that I found. I do love going to the thrift stores and seeing what there is. You never know what you're going to find until you go and look. And the Lions Club is starting up pretty soon. If you watch my channel for a while, you know I love going to the Lions Club garage sale every weekend. And I always get lots of goodies there. So there we go. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. It really, really does help the channel out. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.